Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of biochemistry and how it plays a crucial role in serving humanity across various domains. It's the chemistry of life itself. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, biochemistry is behind it all. So buckle up, because we're about to explore how this incredible field is changing the world we live in. First up, let's talk about medicine. Think of biochemistry as the superhero fighting microscopic villains within our bodies. It helps us understand how diseases work at the tiniest level, the molecular level. That means we can develop powerful medicines, vaccines that teach our immune systems to fight back, and diagnostic tests that help doctors catch diseases early. It's like rewriting the code of life itself. And personalized medicine? That's all about using your unique biochemistry to create treatments tailored just for you. Biochemistry is helping us find new and better ways to treat everything from the common cold to life-threatening diseases. Next up, food. Now you've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat." Well, biochemically speaking, it's totally true. Biochemistry helps us understand how our bodies break down the food we eat, turning it into energy and essential building blocks. Biochemistry is the instruction manual that tells our bodies how to take those blocks apart and build amazing things like muscles, bones, and even our brains. By understanding the specific nutrients people need to thrive, we can develop better ways to fortify foods and ensure everyone has access to a healthy diet. It's all about using the power of biochemistry to build a healthier and well-fed world. Now, let's talk about our planet. Earth is kind of like a giant spaceship hurtling through space, and just like any spaceship, it needs to be taken care of. Scientists are using their knowledge of enzymes and microorganisms, those tiny little helpers we can't even see, to clean up contaminated soil and water. From developing renewable energy sources to finding ways to capture carbon dioxide, biochemistry is playing a vital role in creating a more sustainable future for our planet. It's like having a microscopic cleaning crew that eats up all the bad stuff. Let's move on to agriculture. Biotechnology, genetic engineering, these are all tools in the biochemistry toolbox that are helping us grow more food, and more nutritious food, than ever before. Imagine crops that are resistant to pests and diseases, so farmers don't have to use as many harmful pesticides. By understanding the biochemistry of animals, we can develop more sustainable and humane farming practices while ensuring that everyone has access to affordable and nutritious protein sources. It's all about using the power of biochemistry to feed the world. Okay, time to talk energy. Now we all know fossil fuels are, well, so, last century. We need cleaner, more sustainable energy sources, and guess what? Biochemistry is leading the charge. Biochemistry is also helping us develop biofuels, which are fuels made from, you guessed it, biological materials like plants and algae. Tiny microorganisms have some pretty amazing abilities, including the ability to produce energy. Scientists are figuring out how to harness that microbial power to create bioelectricity and other forms of renewable energy. It's like having a microscopic power plant. From medicine to energy, we've seen how biochemistry is changing the world. Ever wonder how your jeans get that faded, perfectly worn look? Or how your laundry detergent knows how to break down tough stains? You guessed it, biochemistry. Enzymes, those hard-working molecules we talked about earlier, are used in a variety of industrial processes, from textile manufacturing to food production. It's all about using the power of nature to create a better future. Last but not least, let's talk about the future. Biochemistry is a field that's constantly evolving, with new discoveries happening all the time. Scientists are working tirelessly in labs around the world, pushing the boundaries of biochemistry and making groundbreaking discoveries that will shape the future of medicine, agriculture, energy, and more. From elementary school classrooms to university lecture halls, educators are playing a crucial role in fostering a love of science and encouraging students to pursue careers in STEM fields. So let's support them, encourage them, and inspire them to change the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. From medicine to agriculture, energy to the environment, biochemistry is touching every aspect of our lives. It's the science that's making our world a healthier, more sustainable, and more amazing place. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop learning because the world of biochemistry is waiting to be discovered.